So this is kit number 40118, and it's a nice little storage boxes. It's a discontinued set, but still it's pretty cool. And the reason that this red one is here, there isn't supposed to be one, but it was missing a 1x8 black brick. So then it came with an extra 1x8 red brick. So it has a little painter guide with a bit of green that he already painted. And also, it opens. And so is this one. It's like a little chest. And also, you can make different alternatives. Like, so I made a 2x4 brick album, and well, you have to use your own pieces, but I had a bunch of black plates, and then I put those on top, and then the studs, and then on the bottom I added plates. And then also in here the drawer is open. And also another alternative, and also I put like a little storage compartment up here that's an open top, but also you can just go, and then it's a 3-story one. What I like about this set is that it's Lego, but useful. So you can use it as like a desk organizer, and you can put like a little pencil holder on top out of Legos, and then you can store pencils and all that, and all sorts of other stuff. And the one thing that I don't like about this set, it's missing pieces. Thanks for watching my video.